Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to start a new topic. I am going to provide the series of this, which is the Cisco Packet Tracer. I am going to implement all the practicals which comes under the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so I am going to start it with topology. So this is the introductory video. I am just going to tell about what this topology is, and from upcoming video, I am going to provide the implementation of topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so what is topology? Topology, network topology is the way computers, devices, and connections are arranged in a network. It shows how they are connected to each other, either physically, like cables, or logically. Common types of topology include star topology, ring topology, bus, and mesh topology. Okay, there are hybrid topology or and tree topology. So let's see how this work, because it's a definition. If we talk about the generally, so if you couldn't understand what is the topology, I'm going to tell you. So suppose this is the node. Okay, let's take other nodes. This is the another node, and this is the another node. Okay, suppose these are the nodes. If I arrange them like this something, okay, I am connecting this node to this, and I am connecting this node to this. So actually, this is called bus topology. Okay, suppose this is node A and this is node B and this is node C. So this is the bus topology. If you arrange them circularly, suppose you are arranging them something like this. Okay, so if you're arranging them something like this, and let's put the name of this, it's node D, and you connect it something like this. So you can see it it forms a ring. That is why we call it ring topology. So now I hope you can understand. It is nothing but just the arrangement of the devices in a particular network, so that we can communicate them, we can transfer the data efficiently. So this is what topology is. And in upcoming video, I am going to implement point to point topology, then star topology, ring and bus topology, so on. Okay, so I hope you understand what is topology is. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.